Good morning, everyone. Are you excited for today's event? Yes. I know. I can see the faces, all happy faces around. But there is a request from my side. Please keep your phones on silent mode, as well as don't use your mobile phone when you're viewing the ceremony. Don't take any recording, because we have a professional photographer here who is capturing this beautiful ceremony for you all. And the full event as well as the class activities will be made available to you. So just put your hands together very oftenly for the little ones. They have put a lot of efforts for this event today. Thank you so much. So with this note, let's welcome Suvarna ma'am with a group of bright and talented individuals who are ready to embark on the next adventure. Let's put our hands together for class KG2B.
Shine bright and make a difference. Believe in yourself and your dreams will unfold. Warm welcome to Paroki Besa. Today, we all are here for the graduation day ceremony of KG2B. I would like to give my heartiest welcome to our most compassionate, innovative Principal Reverend Father Joseph Kumil. Supervisor Ms. Archana Daral ma'am, who is always there to guide and support us, and of course, my dear parents who believe in us. To welcome you all, we have our little star, Miss Kruva Nimorkar.
Good morning, everyone. I am Kruva. On behalf of my fellow graduates, I welcome you to St. Richard Kaloti Kindergarten graduation ceremony. Today marks a significant milestone in our journey. We are thrilled to share this moment with you. Thank you for joining us.
That was indeed a cute and hearty welcome. Thank you, dear Kruva. Prayer is a beautiful mode of communication with God. Let's entrust our today's program and pray for a choice blessing. Miss Ananya will lead us in prayer. I request everyone kindly rise up for the prayer. Children, join your hands. Ananya, start.
Dear God, thank you for this joyful day. As we celebrate our kindergarten competition, we are grateful for your love and guidance. Bless us with wisdom, compassion, and courage. May we spread kindness and make a positive impact. Amen.
Thank you, Ananya. I request you all to kindly take your seats. To spread positivity with a soulful prayer song presented by our little ones. Children, are you ready? Yes! Children, let's sing I Love the Sun.
I love the sun that shines on me. God made the sun and God made me. I love the stars that twinkle and beam. God made the stars and God made me. I love the grass that smiles at me. God made the grass and God made me. I love the rain that splashes on me. God made the rain and God made me. I love the winds and blow at me. God made the winds and God made me.
Thank you for sharing your talent to spread joy and peace. Kindergarten is where young minds begin their learning journey. Now it's time to all about for little ones. Let's start with Master Rana.
The students of class KG to B are here to tell you what is kindergarten all about. K is for kindergarten. It is play. I is for imagination. Being every day. And N is the four number. We know 1, 2, 3. T is the for drive. It's the best you can see. E is for exercise. For body strong. R is for reading books all day long. G for good friend we make today. A is for alphabet. We know to say. R is for remembering everything we learn. T is for this got everyone. E is for examine this we have. N is for next year. First April, here we come. And school year was so fascinating of exciting events and meaningful experience. We celebrated special days like Padmoshotsam and Patriotism Day, strengthening our bond with nature and nation. Festivals like Christmas, Diwali, Navratri, Father's Day brought us closer to family and tradition. The art and the craft sites explore, showcase our talent, making every moment. These unforgettable moments will forever be in the heart and mind.
Wow, amazing. Thank you, Shravani. That was awesome. Our kindergarten students will showcase their blossoming oral skills. Let's begin the academic journey together. Rhymes and conversation develop pre-literacy skills, language and communication in children. Now enjoy our little stars performing the Just Being Rhyme, followed by the fun song Hum Bachche.
1, 2, 3, A, B, C.
So let's hear about wild animals. Are you ready? Name 5 wild animals. Which animal is called the king of the jungle? Which animal jumps from tree to tree? Which is the biggest sea animal? Tallest animal? Largest animal? National animal? Fastest animal? That was amazing. Now let's do the robin clap. With this, we'll move forward. Addition helps children combine numbers to solve problems. It builds strong foundation for math and real-life application. And who says math is boring? Our kids are here to do. It's fun with their addition activities. Vidima. Vidima, just come.
Four, five.
3 plus 2 is equal to?
Five.
Very good.
Left.
4 plus 3 is equal to?
Seven.
Very good boy. Good boy.
Eight.
6 plus 2 is equal to?
Eight.
Very good, Yogya. Three plus 3 is equal to? 6. Very good, Riyansh. Great job. Graduation is an exciting time. It is both an ending and a beginning. It is warm memories of the past and a big dreams of future. Now let's start the ride. I'm a little graduate. Graduation is a milestone that celebrates achievements and the excitement of new beginnings. Let's hear what graduation is all about for them. Let's start with Adira.
That are our incredible kindergarten experience. It's been an unforgettable journey filled with laughter, excitement, and growth. Through competition, play, activities, birthday, mindfulness, animals, and nature, we have discovered new skills and still our confidence. Kindergarten has given us roots to fly, to dream big, and believe in ourselves. We are now confident, curious, and then explorer, ready to the world. Thank you.
It is time to get emotional. Our little graduates are ready to tug at your heartstrings with a special graduation song. Kids, are you ready? Let's start. I throw my hands up. closing. Please join me in welcoming our esteemed and he shares his inspiring word with us.
Graduates of the KG2B, to esteemed parents present here, dear staff members, I'm sure you all are enjoying these lovely moments of the children performing their final words of the kindergarten completion. You may well remember on the 1st of July 2022, they came to this campus, right? They started their first day of the nursery with a lot of cries and weeping and yelling. And today they are very confident, drawn up, very confident of what they have learned, to showcase numbers, rhymes, letters, subtractions, additions, all. And it's a great moment to witness this graduation ceremony. Personally, I am very proud that they have learned a lot during the last 3 years. And from this base, they are going to grow. You may wonder why there is what importance of graduation at the kindergarten level. अपने आंखों से देखने में वे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है। और थोड़ा राइट बोला है, थोड़ा सुपर क्लाप और वेरी गुड क्लाप किया है और राइट और थोड़ा मैच आया थोड़ा। आप अपने आंखों से देखने में वे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन उनके आंखों में देखने में इज़ अ बिग अचीवमेंट। They have achieved a lot of this, and that's one I want to celebrate. Because the first report card comes out in 10th standard, long way to. So after 3 years, so basic learning, a graduation ceremony इसलिए कर रहा है कि उनको मालूम होना है कि मैं जीत गया। I have achieved a good foundation. So ये foundation के ऊपर हमको आगे बढ़ना है। Whenever we are appreciated for having done a good job, that gives you motivation to keep going. On this graduation happiness, they have climbed after 10 years. इसके बाद graduation होते नहीं। अभी सीधा 10th standard में एक report card मिलेगा और पूरा दुनिया आपको माफ करेगा। So इसके लिए अभी एक graduation से that's why we are creating such a kind of a ceremonial way of graduation. And I thank everyone for participating. There is a famous idiom called the child is the father of the man. I don't know how many of you have heard this idiom in English. Child is the father of the man. It comes from the famous poem of William Wordsworth, My Heart Leaves. In that poem, he says this famous idiom that man, the child, is the father of the man. We have heard a complete man by Raymond's, but it's not that. It is child is the father of the man. Meaning, man is the product of the values, the behaviors, the knowledge that he acquires in his childhood. हम सब अभी हम we are all people, grown adults. We are the products of the habits, the values, the learning, the knowledge that we did during our childhood. So because of which he says, child is the father of the man. So if there is value in this child today, as a man he will have values. If there is knowledge and curiosity and imagination today, he will grow up with the same mode of curiosity and imagination as a man. Even in his 40s, he will be imaginative, curious, and keep learning. And that's what my parents today. I am quite convinced that they are the father of themselves, or what they are going to be in their 40s today. And what they showcase today is going to help them to become the complete man they dream to be. And there's another one big saying that the king who lost his kingdom and the child who lost his toy both feel the same pain, same agony. The king who lost the kingdom and the child who lost his toy both feel the same agony, same pain. Now don't go and buy and give the toys. I'm not talking about those toys. Toy of hard work, the toy of good behavior, the toy of discipline, the toy of curiosity. That's what we need to feed them today. And we should never make them feel that sense of loss. I was not given such a toys in my childhood. मुझे डिसिप्लिन का टॉय नहीं दिया था, हार्ड वर्क का टॉय नहीं दिया था, क्यूरियोसिटी का, इमेजिनेशन का. We need to feed them with these toys. So tomorrow they will never feel a sense of loss that I am not disciplined. There is nothing called curiosity in me. I don't have not learning the interest. These things we have. From my side, I am keeping everything. But as a school and parent community, we should give them such beautiful toys daily. And my biggest request is give them the toy of discipline. Discipline looks to be one of the most difficult thing in life. But I should say discipline is the greatest gift we can give to ourselves. Greatest gift we can give to our children. Discipline is doing something even when you think that I don't want to do it. Still we do it. That's called discipline. मुझे 5 बजे उठने का कुछ मन नहीं, फिर भी मैं 5 बजे उठते मेरा काम शुरू कर रहा है. मन नहीं, फिर भी I do it. That's called willpower. That's called discipline. And I believe in orderly life. And let's give this toy of discipline on this graduation day to our kids so that they will become the complete man what we dream them to be. Dear parents, मेरे तरफ से one more request. You may be thinking that अभी तो graduation हो गया है, kindergarten हो रहा है, अभी फर्स्ट टाइम ग्रेड 1 में जाएगा और ग्रेड 1 में जाने के लिए क्या क्या प्रोसेस करेगा. ऐसा सवाल है आपके मन में? ऐसा सवाल की जरूरत नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ प्रोसेस नहीं है. जैसे KG1 से KG2 में आएगा वैसे ही KG2 से फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में जाएगा. मैं इसलिए आपको बोला कि काफ़ी स्कूल में फिर से एप्लीकेशन डालना है ग्रेड 1 के लिए, फिर से सीट बुक करना है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली और 12वीं तक ऐसा ऑटोमेटिकली वो हर सेक्शन में जाएगा. मेरा निवेदन ये है कि यदि आप पलोट स्कूल छोड़ना चाहते हैं कि ठीक है हम दूसरा सिटी जा रहा है, शिफ्ट ऑफ रेजिडेंस और जॉब ट्रांसफर है, हम निकल इधर से जाने वाला है, ऐसा कुछ के तो जून जुलाई तक वेट नहीं करना हमको बोलने के लिए. आप ऐसा प्लान करें तो थोड़ा बता दीजिए हम जाने वाला है. मेरा मन ये है कि आप इधर ही कंटिन्यू करना है 12वीं तक, और 12वीं के बाद पलोट एंट्री कोड मेरे साथ एचएस बन जाएगा. ओके मेरा और छोड़ दो. लेकिन अब ये आप जाना चाहता है कि किसी और हालत से सब हमको बता दीजिए कि हम जाने वाला है. इसके क्योंकि कम से कम 500 के ऊपर लोग रोज बचन कर रहा है सीट के लिए, वो अपने पास एक भी सीट नहीं है. सो मैं उनको बोला है कि किंडरगार्टन का ग्रेजुएशन भी आ रहा है, किसी बार में आगे ऐसे बोल रहे तो हम आपको बोल देंगे. सो ऐसे कुछ चाह रहे तो हमको कर देंगे. So that's all from my side. God bless all of you and God bless our little graduates.
And to celebrate, let's give a warm welcome to our little graduates and they receive their certificates, marking a significant milestone in their education journey. आरुष देशमुख, सारा काटसागडे, तनुष वानखेडे, अन्वी कुर्जेकर, आयांश मुके, ईशानी निकुले, शिवांश वक्ते, प्रीशा बाबर, विहान डोटे, शिवांश एरपुडे, अधीरा गजबिये, रौनक खंगार, अनाया आत्माने, चांदवी लांजेवार, कश्यपी जुमड़े, स्वराज आंबेकर, अन्विषा डाकोले, अर्णवी टोटे, अथांग भगत, द्रिधा सहारे, मस्के, अश्वथ भोयर, लक्षित पटले, निर्वेद गरड, श्रावी धनविजय, अनन्या निशाने, स्पृहा निपोलकर, विधान पटोले, गोजिरी पराय, आमान बोलते, अद्वित कानोरकर, आयन शेखदार, अधीरा बोडारे, रिधिमा बागड़े, भव्य जोशी, केशवी बर्डे, गौरान जाधव, आरुष ठवरे, यश हजारे, रियांश मसरा, सानवी सोनकुसले, योग्या पारधी. Invite Ms. Adira Bodare to express our heartfelt gratitude with the vote of thanks. Let's welcome her with a round of applause.
It's my privilege to deliver the oath of thanks. I would like to express heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made my kindergarten journey unforgettable. Thank you to our school team, father, supervisor, teachers, bhaiyas, didis and loving parents for
today's program. I would like to express my sincere appreciation to our children, management, supervisor ma'am and parents. Your collective support has made this event a success. Thank you.